How to add a background photo to Instagram story. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in and you are on your home page, now navigate to Add Story option from the top left corner that says Your Story. Now first of all, you have to choose the background photo. For example, I have this picture as the background for my photo. Now you have to choose the picture that you would like to add to your story. For that, navigate to top of this interface and there is a menu bar. From there, tap on sticker icon. Now, in this box, you will have multiple features. From there, tap on photo. Now you have to choose the picture that you would like to add in your story. For example, I have this picture. Now you can resize this with the help of your fingertip and place it wherever you like. After that, you can simply share this in your Instagram story. So this is the way to add background photo to your Instagram story, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I will see you on next video.